Good morning and welcome back to the channel where maths comes before emotion. Today we will discuss another great idea of the market, buying unlisted shares before the IPO.
इस वीडियो के अंदर हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं कि अनलिस्टेड शेयर को कैसे
आज बात करेंगे हम अनलिस्टेड शेयर के बारे में।
But before you get blinded by FOMO or positive thoughts, an honest risk assessment is a great idea. On paper, unlisted shares को IPO से पहले खरीद लेना feels like a brilliant idea. It looks like a low risk shortcut to massive wealth. And honestly, the continuous hype around grey market premium talk is just too hard to ignore. But stock market positivity पर तो चलता ही नहीं. So let's discuss the math of this decision and do a quick risk assessment. We will compare three things that can absolutely horribly go wrong when you enter this playground against one good thing. And that one thing is get rich quickly. So the question number one is, what if the IPO gets shelved? तब तो लग गए. An IPO can get shelved for hundreds of different reasons. Just look at historical market precedents.
Where Snapdeal is among companies which have withdrawn their IPO.
Snapdeal has told NDTV, considering prevailing market conditions, the company has decided to withdraw.
तो फिर आखिर सवाल ये उठता है कि इतनी प्रॉफिटेबल कंपनी ने अपना IPO अचानक कैंसिल क्यों कर दिया?
ये याद रखिए कि IPO is like a final fundraising round for the companies and it comes with intense public and regulatory scrutiny. Promoters हमेशा अपना इंटरेस्ट सबसे पहले देखते हैं and if market fluctuates, they will pull the draft prospectus completely. And if that happens, its value without liquidity, अगर कोई खरीदेगा नहीं तो आप बेचोगे किसको? Question number 2. Do you know about the lock-in period? ये असली वाला twist है and it cannot be ignored. Even after a successful IPO, your capital is not instantly free.
आज हम जानेंगे IPO लॉक-इन पीरियड के बारे में. लॉक-इन पीरियड जहां एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम के लिए कोई काम करना अलाउड नहीं होता.
Hi friends, in today's video we are going to discuss the importance of lock-in period of an IPO.
Under SEBI guidelines, pre-IPO shares held by retail or non-promoter investors are bound by a 6-month lock-in period post-listing. If the stock debuts at a massive premium but begins a structural de-rating in a week, you legally cannot sell, hedge or liquidate your position. You will be forced to sit down and watch your paper wealth evaporate in real time. And the most important question number 3, what is the real world alternative? यहाँ risk assessment करना जरूरी है. How much profit against the risk? So let's assume 100% profit. 3 things against your profit of 100% are grey market premium, which you pay upfront. इसका कोई mathematical foundation नहीं है. The GMP can be more than the listing price. If the IPO is stopped, जैसे रातों रात US-Iran tensions escalate and market falls 2 to 3%. If the IPO is stopped, the stock is worth its face value. And the last one is the 6 months lockout. Alternatively, if you buy the stock post-listing in the secondary market, all of these 3 negatives against you will become positives. सबसे important बात, if you are fundamentally convinced about the stock's performance, you can actually accumulate it post-listing. So for these 3 reasons, I think the math of risking your capital is not in your favor. So 100% returns versus 100% tension for 6 months. The choice is yours. हाँ, 120% रिटर्न हो तो बात अलग है. बट मजाक असाइड, जबरदस्ती आलू से सोना निकालने की मशीन बनाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. It is better that you deal in the secondary market. In last 2 years, almost all major IPOs after their initial hype have dipped well below their listing price before rising again.
Paytm stock prices were down 27% on the day that it was listed on Indian stock markets.
Which means कि hype investing से stories तो बनती हैं पर पैसे नहीं. और stock price तो पाकिस्तानी की तरह है, वो हमेशा ही वापस आएगा at your levels.
खान साहब, मुझे उन लोगों का तजुर्बा है. पाकिस्तानी हारे तो पलट के एक बार फिर आता है.
And this brings us to the fun segment. But before going there, hit that like and subscribe if you find this content useful. एक reality check comments में जरूर कर लेना. Tell me honestly, अगर आप IPO में invest करते हो तो क्यों? Option A, आप खतरों के खिलाड़ी हो. और Option 2, you are absolutely sure about the fundamentals. So let's see what the community says. So सो थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग। बट जाने से पहले एक लास्ट बात, अगर आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर IPO से नहीं तो कैसे पैसे बनाओ, देन मेक श्योर दैट यू बिकम अ मेंबर ऑफ दिस चैनल। बिकॉज जब आप किसी चीज़ को मैथ्स की नज़र से देखते हो, देन इट बिकम्स एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर कि मुझे इन्वेस्ट करना है कि नहीं करना है। Our IPO advice over the last year has ensured our subscribers made 30%. If you have a question, we have an answer or an opinion. So hit that like and subscribe button if you agree with me about this and want to help promote this content. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for your time.